Bitcoin. Some people call it the future of money, while others call it the biggest financial bubble in history. But what exactly is Bitcoin? Why does it have value? And how much could it really be worth by 2026? In this video, we'll break it all down in a simple and clear way.
Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin is not printed or controlled by any government or central bank. It exists only online and allows people to send money directly to each other without a middleman. Bitcoin was created after the 2008 financial crisis, when trust in banks and governments was extremely low. The idea was simple: create a financial system that does not depend on banks, corruption, or political control. Bitcoin was designed to give people full control over their own money. Bitcoin runs on a technology called blockchain. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded on a public digital ledger that anyone can see, but no one can change. This makes Bitcoin secure, transparent, and extremely difficult to hack. One of the biggest reasons Bitcoin is valuable is scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. No more, no less. As demand increases and supply stays limited, many believe the price will continue to rise over time. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Just like gold, it is scarce, valuable, and not controlled by governments. However, Bitcoin is easier to store, easier to transfer, and more modern, which is why many investors prefer it. Bitcoin started at just a few cents. Over the years, it reached hundreds, then thousands, and eventually tens of thousands of dollars. Despite crashes and volatility, Bitcoin has consistently recovered and reached new highs. So what can we expect by 2026? Many analysts believe Bitcoin could trade between $70,000 to over $100,000. Some even predict higher prices if adoption continues and supply tightens after having events. Bitcoin's price depends on several factors: global adoption, institutional investment, inflation, government regulation, and technological development all play a major role. When demand rises faster than supply, prices usually go up. Bitcoin is not risk-free. It is highly volatile, and prices can drop sharply in short periods. That's why smart investors only invest what they can afford to lose. Bitcoin has already changed the financial world, and its future looks. Whether it reaches $100,000 or more by 2026 depends on adoption and global demand. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below with your Bitcoin prediction.